Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create professional profile photo using Canva. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a design in my Canva, and first of all we need to go to the apps to generate profile photo with AI. Go to the apps and then you have to search for the profile photo. Just type in profile photo right like this. Okay, then you have to choose this feature, and we can easily generate professional profile photo using AI. You can click on choose file and then you can choose your photo. I'm just going to pick a random photo from my gallery. Wait guys. Okay, I'm going to choose this one and I'm going to click on open. And then you can choose how do you identify yourself, and I'm just going to select female and I'm going to click on generate. Okay, and the AI will generate profile photo for us. Okay, and now the profile photo has been generated and this is the result. Wait, I'm going to make it bigger like this. Alright guys, and that's all the way to create professional profile photo using Canva. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.